Karage. Here we go, y'all. Just got it. Check that out. Just because it looks so good, I cannot wait to get into it, boo. Here we go. It's going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hang on. There you go, go. Wait. Vegetable broth. I mean, it's distinctively different than the pork, but it's still good. I can't wait to get into the rest of the bowl, but so far the broth is good. Ooh, look at that. Love an egg right there. Pork. Okay. Let's take it. Okay, all right. Simple. It's just like their soy sauce broth, but it's still vegetable broth. Okay, all right. Number one. It's good. Good. Lady, it looks like tequila. It's Senju, not Senyan, or Shinyan. Very smooth. Not like tequila. Oh, tequila.
It's pretty good. I like it. It's smooth. Almost like a Michelob Light or something. Michelob Ultra. Yeah.
But in sake.
But in sake. All right. Ken Yushiro. Ooh, this is my favorite so far. I like it.
Sure, it looks like milk.
Yeah, it looks good. Milk of rice. It's actually pretty good. I was a little worried with this one. See what way it looks? Gross. I'm not even going to tell you what I thought it was. All right, last one, Desai 45. So let's see. Interesting smell. Has a lot more alcohol to it. Not bad though.
Booze Hound.
It's a little boozy.
Is that your new rap name in the city of Dallas?
Little booze.
Little
boozy.
Boozy.
A little boozy, but still pretty good.